What if you could turn a simple glance at the sky into a relaxing, fascinating, and even educational hobby? Cloud spotting isn't just daydreaming, it's a way to connect with nature, understand the weather, and appreciate the ever-changing sky. Welcome to How Expert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Cloud Spotting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Today's topic is all about cloud spotting, and here are the How Expert Top 10 tips to help you observe, identify, and enjoy clouds like a true sky gazer. Tip number 1. Learn the basic cloud families. Start by familiarizing yourself with the three broad cloud groups: high, mid-level, and low. The Latin names make a lot of sense once you know them. For example, cirro for high, wispy clouds, or stratus for low, layered sheets. Understanding cloud altitude helps you predict their behavior and what they might mean for the weather. 2. Know the common cloud types. Some of the most common clouds are cirrus, thin, wispy, high-altitude ice crystal clouds; altocumulus, mid-level cotton-like patches; cumulus, the classic puffy cotton ball clouds with flat bases; stratus, low uniform layers that often bring overcast skies or drizzle; cumulonimbus, tall, towering clouds that produce thunderstorms. Knowing these helps you quickly identify what you're looking at, and often what's coming next. Third tip, use your body as a measuring tool. Here's a fun trick. Hold up your arm and use your fingers to estimate clouds' heights and shapes. For example, to distinguish between mid-level and high clouds, use your fingers and angle your arm about 60 degrees above the horizon. It's a simple and surprisingly effective way to make sense of the sky. 4. Watch how clouds move and change. Cloud shapes are constantly shifting. Observe how they develop, fade, or move. This gives clues about the wind direction, altitude, and how stable the atmosphere is. For cloud spotters, part of the joy is watching this dynamic dance. 5. Keep a cloud journal or log. Bring a notebook or use your phone to sketch or describe what you see. Note the time, cloud types, colors, and patterns. Over time, you'll start to recognize repeating formations and understand better how your local sky behaves. You can also use a tally chart to track the kinds of clouds you spot most often. 6. Use cloud spotting guides and apps. Use identification guides, like those from meteorological societies, or a cloud spotting app to help you label what you see. These tools explain cloud genera, species, and typical behaviors. They make the learning process structured and more intuitive. 7. Pay attention to weather clues. Certain clouds can hint at changing weather. For instance, thin cirrostratus clouds often signal a warm front is coming, and possibly rain. Watching cloud types can actually help you forecast the weather in a casual, observational way. 8. Practice mindful sky watching. Take time to simply gaze, breathe deeply, let your eyes wander, and observe without rush. Cloud spotting can be meditative. It teaches patience and invites you to slow down, listen to the wind, to nature, and reflect. It's a timeless, low-cost way to reconnect with the sky. 9. Photograph for fun and learning. Use your phone or camera to take photos of interesting clouds. Try different angles, lighting, and backdrops. Over time, you can build a personal cloud photo collection, and comparing your images helps sharpen your recognition skills. 10. Share and join a cloud appreciation community. Whether it's a local meteorology club, an online sky-watching forum, or the Cloud Appreciation Society, there are many people just as fascinated by clouds as you are. Sharing your observations, your best photos, and questions helps deepen your learning and makes cloud spotting a social and rewarding hobby. Cloud spotting is more than just looking up. It's a gentle adventure in science, art, and mindfulness. Every cloud you see is part of a larger sky story, a story written by air, moisture, sunlight, and wind. So next time you step outside, bring your eyes and your curiosity with you. Look up, take a breath, and let the sky surprise you. For even more tips, techniques, and real-world examples, check out HowExpert Guide to Cloud Spotting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.